Hi everyone, welcome to What's Cooking Wednesday. Today we are going to make easy enchiladas. And I got this recipe from a cookbook of a friend of mine. Her name is Denise Lopez. It's called A Gathering Around Your Table. And it's just a super 5-minute way to put enchiladas together, and then they're done in 30 and you're ready to eat. For me, enchiladas is a comfort food, so I think that you'll really enjoy this recipe. So the first thing that we're going to do is start with a small 9x13 pan, and I'm going to spray it with Pam. After I spray it with Pam, I'm going to add frozen taquitos to it in a layer. So I'm just going to show down here what we're doing. Maybe like that. Just going to layer them in here like this. So you'll just layer them together, and then once you get everything in here, I'm going to combine 3 ingredients in the bowl over here. And the 3 ingredients are going to be cream of chicken soup, enchilada sauce. Let's see if I turn it the right way. You can use hot or mild, whichever one you prefer. And a can of Rotel, so just regular Rotel. And then I'll just mix those all together in a bowl. Swirl it up. Hi, Zilla. And all I'm going to do is just kind of pour it over the top of the taquitos. Like this. You can do another layer if you want. It kind of makes it like a casserole. So here's kind of what your final product looks like. And then we're just going to put some shredded cheese on the top of it. And that's just however much cheese is kind of up to you. I'm a big cheese lover, so I'm one of those people that thinks that cheese makes everything better. So anyway, I just throw a little bit of cheese on the top of it, and then I will just throw it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, just until it's bubbly and ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. I hope that you guys get to make it at home, and if you ever have any questions, you can always look for me in the comments. Thanks, have a great day.